Hey guys, today I will show you the unboxing of Vivo V21 5G. So like this, you can open the box. Let's keep it here. So first you can see Vivo V21, very stylish premium looking phone, comes with triple camera setup and this matte finish, Vivo branding you can see. Next we have SIM ejector tool, documentation like product technical specifications and warranty card. Here we have transparent back cover which will going to protect your phone from any harm. Here you can see USB Type-C cable. Also in the box you can see 3.5mm jack earphones, and here we have 2-pin wall charger which supports fast charging. So that's all you get inside the Vivo V20 5G box. Thanks for watching.